परित्राणाय साधूना विनाशाय च दुष्कृता धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे। शिरडी साई वर्ति साई दिव्य कथा शिवुडे सद्गुरुवै शिरडीलोन उन्न कथा भवुडे बांधवुडै भक्तुल ब्रोचिन सत्य कथा आ गुरुवे पुट्टपर्तिलो ఈశ్వరమ్మకు తనయుండై ఆ గురువే పుట్టపర్తిలో ఈశ్వరమ్మకు తనయుండై సత్యరూపుడై విశ్వమునే ప్రేమతో గెలిచిన మధుర కథ సత్యరూపుడై విశ్వమునే ప్రేమతో గెలిచిన మధుర కథ ఆ కథయే షిరిడి సాయి వర్తి సాయి दिव्य कथा। ఒకే సూర్యుడు ఒకే చంద్రుడు ఒకే గురువు ఈ లోకాన ఒకే కులము ఒకే మతము సత్య సాయి నిలయాన ఒకే సూర్యుడు ఒకే చంద్రుడు ఒకే గురువు ఈ లోకాన ఒకే కులము ఒకే మతము సత్య సాయి నిలయాన భోగులు యోగులు జోగులు రోగులు స్వామి ప్రేమకు పాత్రులే భోగులు యోగులు జోగులు రోగులు స్వామి ప్రేమకు పాత్రులే దేశ విదేశము నేలే నేతలు స్వామి ఎదుట విద్యార్థులే దేశ విదేశము నేలే నేతలు స్వామి ఎదుట విద్యార్థులే ఏ భగవానుని పదములు సోకి భువనమి తరించుచున్నదో ఆ కథయే షిరిడి సాయి వర్తి సాయి దివ్య కథ।
Venkamma, Parvati, look who has come with me.
Very good. You brought Satyam back?
Yes, father. Are you all right, Satyam?
I'm fine.
Where did the scorpion sting?
On my leg.
It must be paining.
No, not anymore.
There's a very big change in him, father. He keeps talking about philosophy.
He was always like that.
We must get him examined by a very good doctor.
Come here. Take this fruit. It is prasad.
Shall I tell you the secret of this fruit, grandfather? The fruit's skin is an illusion. The fruit is body, and its taste is the soul. The body is covered by skin, which is an illusion. The soul cannot be seen.
Look, my son. Ours is a Ratnakar family. Compassion to all, devotion to God, and a spiritual outlook. We know nothing else except this. Why should we get involved in all this black magic?
You're right, father. But here people are saying all sorts of things about our Satyam. Is it the divine spirit or the devil's influence or something else? That's why I have asked Narsimhachari to come here. Only he can tell us how to find out and solve this problem.
Vengam Raju sir. Vengam Raju sir.
Come, Narsimhachari,
Namaste,
come.
Kondam Raju sir. Shuklam Bradhram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavanam Dhyayet Sarvighnopashante Agjanna Patparkam Gajarna Bharnisham Nekrandam Bhaktanam. Please get some water.
Ishwari?
Yes?
Get some water in this.
Put some basil leaves in it and some vermilion and turmeric on the vessel.
All right.
Now let me see what is the problem with Satyam. Call him, please.
Satyam? Satyam? Sit here, my son.
Your name?
Satyam.
Your place?
The whole world.
Your age?
Eternal.
Where do you live?
Everywhere.
What is your behavior?
This is divine love.
Are you a ghost or a devil?
Love's embodiment.
You are talking too much philosophy. Is it the effect of the poison?
Lord Shiva held poison in his throat. That poison became ambrosia. It is the same with the Vedas. If you understand it, you will see divinity.
Vengam Raju, sir.
Yes?
According to me, more than the effect of the poison, it's the influence of the devil.
Are you aware of the faults in you?
Uh-huh. You are talking back? He is definitely possessed by the devil.
If I'm the devil, then what are you?
You dare to question me? Now look into my eyes and tell me, what do you see?
Basil leaf.
Not that. Now tell me, what do you see?
I see Shiva's bow, the flying chariot, and Anjaneya flying across carrying the Sanjeevi mountain.
What? Where? I don't see anything. Did you hear that? What rubbish he is talking. Shiva's bow and flying chariot, he says.
You can't see them because you're too full of faults. The limit of your strength is known to me. You don't recognize me when you see me. But then you pray to me every day. Now look at me carefully.
Venkam Raju sir, your son has lost his mental balance. He is possessed by the evil spirits. There is nothing I can do. Take him to Kadir Brahmanpalli's witch doctor. I am leaving. Sir, madam, I am leaving. Kondam Raju sir, Venkam Raju sir, I am leaving.
What is this? What is he talking about? Is anything wrong with Satyam?
Don't worry, Ishwari. We have tried the doctors in Dharmavaram and Anantapur. Now Narsimachari has also seen him. Let's see. I'll take him to Kadari Brahmanpalli and maybe somebody there will find out what it is. The devil, the divine or something else.
I don't know anything. I'm very scared. Listen, I myself will take Satyam to some good doctor.
You don't go. Tomorrow Shesham and Sushila are coming. Let them go. Satyam. Will you go?
As you wish, grandfather. There is nothing wrong with me. What can the doctors do?
Grandfather,
Huh?
may I also go with Satyam?
All right, go.
Om Hreem Vreem Shreem Swaha. Hey Jai Mahakali, Mahabhagavati, Durga Mata, Shakti Mata, Kali Mata, Chandi Mata, Kali 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 Mata. Jai Mahakali, Durga Mata, Shakti Mata, Kali Mata, Chandi Mata. Hey Jai Mahakali. Tell me, who are you? Are you a ghost, a devil, a goblin, a ghoul, a demon? Tell me, who are you? Tell me, who are you? Come on, tell me, who are you?
Satyanarayana Raju.
I know that, not you. Whatever has possessed you, you tell me, what are you? Are you a devil? Are you a ghost, a demon? Speak, come on, speak!
Truth. The whole truth.
You evil spirit! Tell me, who are you? You're from the north, from the south, from the east, from the west? Tell me, from where are you?
not just spirit. I am all the 5 elements. I am me.
All the elements are in my control. You dare to disobey the Supreme Mother? She will punish you for this.
Your mother cannot harm me.
Your talk is of no use with this devil. I won't leave you. You have to come out. I won't rest otherwise. Play the drums. Hey.
Please don't hit my brother. Please don't hurt him. Please let him alone. Don't hurt him. Please don't do this.
Venkama,
No.
Venkama, don't be scared. See, he's not hitting Satyam. He's hitting the devil inside. Venkama, don't be scared. Satyam will be all right. Satyam will be fine, Venkama. Please.
Stop that. Don't hurt him.
Did you find him under a palm tree? Tell me.
No,
Did you find him under a mango tree? Tell me.
no,
Did you find him under a peepal tree? Tell me.
no.
Did you catch him under a tamarind tree? Tell me.
Yes, I did.
Play the drums! So that is where you possessed him!
What? What is it?
The spirit of tamarind tree is no ordinary spirit! If I don't drive it away, your brother will die! Jai Kali! Jai Mahakali! Jai Chandi Mata! Kali Mata, Chandi Mata, Kali Mata, Chandi Kali Mata, Chandi Mata! Come out, you devil!
Please use some mantras to get rid of it. But please don't hit him. Please, I beg of you. Please, you tell him not to hit
Don't worry. This is to get rid of the devil in him. Don't be scared. Please, relax.
It won't go by chanting mantras. It is a Tantrini devil. Come
Don't
out!
hit him.
Come
Don't hit him.
out!
Please don't hurt my brother.
I am hitting the devil inside him.
Yes.
Jai Maha. What? Yes, mother? Yeah? What did you say? Really? All right.
To whom were you talking?
To Mahakabalika. She says to drive out this evil spirit, use the 9-fold methods with the aid of 9 planets.
How do we do that?
Om Doom Deem Doom Kabalika Namaha Bhuteshwari Pishash Vidharini. Speak! Speak, you fool! Speak!
9 types of leaves, 9 types of
Ha!
fruits, 9 types of
Ha!
fruits, 9 types
Ha!
of bunkers.
Ha!
9 silver coins. All in the
Jai Mahakabalika! Ha! Ha!
Do we put it in this?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here are the coins.
Bochandi, 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 Bochandi. Jai Maha Bhagavati. Bochandi, 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 Bochandi. This is to make him pure. This is to drive away spirit. This is to get rid of illusion. This is to get your wish. This is a lucky charm. Jai Bhagavati! Jai Bhagavati! Jai Bhagavati!
What's this chain for?
Jai Mahakabalika!
Stop! Stop this! What are you doing?
I will tie this devil with this chain.
No! No! Don't tie my brother!
Please don't
No!
tie him.
Stop that! I will become fire and burn your brother to ashes. If we want what's best for him, keep quiet. This is no ordinary devil. Beware of it. It has possessed him. I will chase it out of him.
No, don't tie him up with that. Please don't hurt him. Please leave him alone, please.
No, please don't tie him. He's still a small boy. Please, I beg of you. Please don't tie him. Please don't do that.
Om Reem Reem Shreem! Yeah! Yeah! Come out!
Please
Come
let
out,
him
you
go.
devil!
Don't hit him. Let him
Come
go.
out!
Please.
Come out, you devil!
When nothing is gone in, what can come out?
Hey! Don't be rude to mother! Om Namah Tripura Sundari! Chandika! Khadgiri! Rudrani! Kapalini! Huh? What? What, mother? Is that so? All right then. You want his head to be shaved? All right. Ha! Bicho! Knife!
I'm begging you. Please let my brother go.
If anyone crosses this line, they will vomit blood. Your stomach will suffer in cramps. Your bones will crumble. Drums!
No, don't shave his head. Please, I'll give you anything, whatever money you want. Please don't shave his head, please. I'm begging you, please.
Hey! 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 Come out, you devil! Hey! 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 Tantrini devil! You ran away from here! Your strength is gone! You have to disappear now! Chase the devil away! Jai Samsan Vasani! Jai Mundapalani! Jai drums! Hey! Ha! Ha! Hey! Ha! Bochandi, 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 bochandi. Ah! Huh? Hey! Ah! Ah! You're hurt. You're bleeding and you're still smiling. You are no Tantrini devil. You are worse than that. No, Pecho!
No, stop. We can't stand this. We are taking Satyam and going home. Stop.
Stop! Don't dare to cross this line. You will vomit blood. Your stomach inside will suffer. Your bones will crumble and become dust. Jai Mahakali! Drums!
Please stop. Don't do anything more, please.
Please don't do that.
I'm begging you, please. Please let my brother go.
Not enough! This devil is very stubborn! I have to do more! I won't let it stay in your body! I will get rid of it by putting this in its eyes! I will not make it rest! Hey, Jai Mahakali! Jai Durga Ma! Water!
that's enough. Let my brother go, please.
No, no.
No,
No,
stop touching
no.
my brother. Please let him go. That's enough. Please, please don't do anything more. Please. Oh God.
Stop. No. Let him go. Stop, please.
Aha, Him, Brim, Brim. Him, Brim, Grim. Him, Grim. Oh, Saha. 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 Come on, you devil. Come out. Grim, Brim. Chase the devil out. Cream, Brim. Come out, you devil. Cream, Brim, 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 Brim. Cream, Brim, 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 Brim. Come out, you devil. Come out. Brim, Brim, come out, you devil.
Let's go. This is our chance. Come on. Let's not waste time. Sushila, remove the chains. Venkama, come on. Let's go. Let's not waste any more time. Let's not be here. Let's get away from here. Come on. Come on, everybody. Come on. Quickly. Come, Satyam.